Hey Wonders, today we are at the Bristol Light Festival. This swing makes yearly appearance but gets super busy, so try to do it first. This is a limited time event on for 10 days only. They work with different artists each year to create these stunning art pieces across the city, free to visit and focusing on making dynamic pieces that really adds on extra dimension in the winter night. This cat was so adorable, it even purred. You can follow this whole trial on their website or with their paper map. It's great to see an exhibit linking back to Bristol.